A fatal crash shuts down traffic in Venice. It happened just before 9:30 this morning along US 41 on the island of Venice. Venice fire officials say a pickup truck collided with a motorcycle. The truck then caught on fire and the motorcycle rider was trapped underneath it. Firefighters put out the fire quickly, but the man in his mid-40s did not survive. The driver of the pickup was not hurt. The crash shut down the section of 41 between Indian Avenue and Palmero Place. Venice police are investigating the crash.